tornado maybe. Tornado on the ground, it looks like. Hey!
Head north.
Hit the houses. Please, God, don't hit. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Oh, my living God. My best footage, closest I've ever been to a tornado. Right there, quarter mile away, half mile away. There's the storm, kind of is dying out as it went through Abilene. That was tough chase. Like it's successful in terms of what I'm trying to do and see out here. Closest I've ever been to a tornado. Right behind it, west side. But it's, a family got hit and they're okay. But man, Freddie McKinney. If you don't know him, look him up, follow him on his live streams. He drove up on a family that had just had their house destroyed, and this mom is running up carrying one of her kids, and then there's another kid running and a dad, and they're crying in the car, and he drives them to the hospital while the tornado's ongoing. It just makes it all like really hard. And I have kids, and I'm hearing kids cry in a car and seeing a mom carry kids. It cuts deep. So it was a crazy day. Prayers for them, and prayers for Freddie, who had to kind of see that and witness it, and bravo to him for his heroics of just stopping and grabbing him and telling him to get in the car. So I hope everyone else is okay and no one else died or got hurt too bad in that.